What's up, boys?
Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Sour Bros. We're gonna keep this nice and short. Hopefully, you guys like the video.
Okay, guys, just got here. It's a little bit dark, but let's see what we can get, guys. It's gonna be our first cast. Just got here, okay, guys? Let's see what we get. Horrible cast. Horrible cast. Oh, it's a little one. It's a baby. Oh, wait a minute. Guys, it caught a shad. Check it out, guys, it caught a shad. Oh, stop. Foul hooked them. I've never caught a shad on a hook. Oh, no, stop. Okay, look, it's a huge shad. Let him go. Point. That was a white bass. I wonder if he caught something already. One. Oh, it's a no. This is a baby. Yeah, it's really small. It's a white bass, but it's small, really small. Oh, small little fish, guys. Don't go. Get bigger.
Oh, looking bit right there.
Oh. Oh, yes, guys. You're on the edge. I was telling you guys in the other video. In the edge, guys. Slow it down a little bit. Because they follow you guys. Decent sized one, guys. Yes, sir. Finally. One. We have been here like barely like 10-15 minutes, so it's good.
Okay, guys. That's another. Nice.
Got one, guys. Oh, I think I got two. I think I got two. Yeah, I got two, guys. Oh my god. This is a big one, guys. There's a big one at the bottom. Oh, and I did bring my net now. Oh. please, 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 please. Boink. No, 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 no. Oh, guys, my line just popped, but I got him. Look at this giant. Look at this giant. Like I said, guys, I'm using 10-pound line. Oh. Oh. Ow, my knee. Oh. Yes. Pop my line, guys, but at least I got the fish. Oh, yes. Thank God.
There you go. Yes, sir. Nice. Now let me re-rig, guys, real quick. I'll be back. Baller!
Alright, guys, I got stuck right now. And I lost one of my jigs. So I had to rig up again and do what we can catch. Oh, got fuzzy.
Yep.
Oh, right there, right there. Got a good one, guys. Boink. Oh, yes.
Yes! A big one. Stop, stop, stop. Nice. Yes, guys, look at this. Big one. Nope, there. Nope, it's there. Oh, nice. I got a giant in there, guys. Got a big one. Wait, guys, that one. Where is it? That one.
And guys, comment, guys. Super happy right now. We got 3 subscribers. I'm trying to find out who they are, but I found like I saw some videos how to check, but it won't let me see them. So comment, guys, who you guys are. If my subscribers are watching right now, comment who you are, so I know and I can like put your names down on the list, and in the future could do something for you guys or something. I don't know. But yeah, thank you for subscribing, guys, and liking the video, and comment, guys, to see. I want to know what you guys think. Please comment, guys.
Nice. Nice, nice, nice.
I got one. Oh, he's a good one, guys. He's a real good one. Could be 2 because it's really heavy. Oh, what is this? Guys, he's huge. There's 2, there's 2, there's 2, there's 2, there's 2, there's 2. Oh no, there's 1. Okay, there's 1. Oh, oh, you guys saw that? It's a big one, guys. Look at that. For a second there, guys, I thought it was a striper. Stripers are kind of like this, but their lines are really marked here, like in their stomach. Even can start with like black streaks, lines. That's what they call them, stripers.
Guys, that was a humongous fight. There you go. There you big one, guys. Look at that. Oh no, you come on, patrol.
To change my reel because it got tangled pretty bad, so now I'm using Old Reliable, my spinning rod. Come on, guys. Oh. It's a good one, guys. It's a good one. It's a good one. Oh yes. Check it out, guys. Woo. Leave them there, cause I'll be back up a bit. Where's that one, guys? That's a good one. Up, 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 up. Go, go, go. Yes. Ooh. Oh, oh my God. I know. Damn, that's a big one, dude. Nice. Nice.
Like what? 12, 13, 14?
Yeah.
So I lost the fish right now, guys. I lost a pretty good sized fish because I was trying to get the camera on for you guys. Oh my God.
Hey guys, blah blah blah. Hey guys, thank you for watching the video, and thank you for the support. What's it called? We will be making a video about what we use, what reel, the line, the jig, everything, even the knots, and that'll be in another video. Yeah guys, and like you said, thank you so much guys for watching the video. If you guys are watching the whole video and you guys made it to the end, thank you so much guys. It means a lot to us. We're gonna, like I said in the other videos, we're trying to get better and better. We got more videos coming for you guys, and God bless you guys. Have a good day.